You miss someone who treated you badly, and your brain thinks that's love. You know they hurt you, but you still miss them. And none of it makes sense. Here's what happened. When someone runs hot and cold, your brain doesn't pull away. It locks in. It's called intermittent reinforcement, the same wiring that makes slot machines impossible to quit. The unpredictability spikes your dopamine in the waiting. So the anxiety of never knowing where you stood, your brain read as passion, as love. So here's what to do first to fight the urge. What you miss isn't them. It's the relief that came after the fear. That intensity wasn't love. It was your nervous system on high alert. Real love doesn't keep you guessing. Calm isn't boring. Calm is safe. Secondly, when the missing hits, try naming it. I'm not craving them. I'm in withdrawal. Then list 3 times they hurt you. It wakes up your logic and breaks the highlight reel your mind keeps replaying. You're not crazy for missing them. Your brain did exactly what it was wired to do. Comment "Inconsistency isn't love," and I'll make a part 2 to this video. Make sure to like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow for more psychology tips that actually make sense.